We suggest using the moisturizing device to protect the printhead when the printer is idle during your vacation or for more than 3 days. First, take out the original dampers from the printer and seal them in a bag. Pour the moisturizing liquid into the bottle and pull out 3 milliliters from each damper. Then, place the moisturizing device dampers on the ink carriage and pull out liquid from the waste ink line until the liquid color becomes lighter. Make sure the moisturizing liquid has filled the entire ink path to protect the printhead. If you do not use the printer for a long time, the moisturizing liquid may evaporate. It is recommended to refill the liquid and pull out moisturizing liquid from the dampers and waste ink line once a month. After installing the moisturizing device, close the cover and turn off the machine. If you want to resume using the printer and stop using the moisturizing device, take out the moisturizing device dampers. Pull out 3 milliliters of ink from the original dampers and put them back into the ink carriage. Then, pull out ink from the waste ink line until the ink becomes darker as the waste ink of various colors mixes. Clean the printhead in the software and print a nozzle test page to check the status of the printhead. Now your machine is ready for use again.